Ooh. So this is the view.
Now clear, huh? Check this out. It's cleared up.
The fog is coming up again, so the view is not clear. Hey guys, we're heading out for a trip to Kapamodzii, located at Zavame Nagaland. It has been the talk of the town since lately, and people also call it as a slice of heaven on earth for its mesmerizing and amazing viewpoint. So let's go check it out.
All together, we can't flip your camera, right? Wait.
So we have made it to the foothill of Kapamodzii, and this is the footpath that leads to the peak of the hill where we could get the amazing viewpoint. So you're almost there?
Yeah, we're almost there at the peak.
You
We're just 2 minutes away.
okay?
So exciting. Wow, that's the peak.
You
We're heading up there right now.
mm-hmm.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's it.
Tired here. I'm here at the peak.
You made it to the top.
So go check the top. Actually, that is a very beautiful view, but we can't get it right now.
Ooh. So this is the view.
Now clear, huh? Check this out. It's cleared up.
Yeah.
I'm exhausted, but I'm glad I made it.
Okay.
100 minutes.
Oh, it's so foggy. The fog is coming up again, so the view is not clear.
And my glass is foggy.
Ooh.
Here we are.
Here we are. That's the cottage. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful.
Going in.
Let's go. Whoa.
And this is the view. An amazing view.
And me.
And back to him.
Me.
Really? You're not hungry? Not tired?
I decided to view. I think I can go check that spot.
Yeah.